You subscribe yet?
Got a call from your mom today, and things ain't so good. She said things just ain't going right the way that it should. Way that it should. She said since you've been gone, it's like a terrible storm. She's down on her knees and she's trying to hold on. Don't know what's in her head. Maybe the things that you said. She wants you to come back home. She's missing the company of her daughter. You could have replaced the love of her mama. From the moment you left home, things was just not the same. Things were just not the same. Standing facing the mirror like a soldier in pain.
Wow. You know, I'm glad to see you.
Okay. So what that's supposed to mean? What you do?
Yeah, do something.
Can I talk to you about something?
Yeah, go and talk. Me I listen.
From what I realize, I don't have no friend. I don't understand. I don't have nobody to talk to. Or nobody. You know, if I want to go somewhere, we can say, Gigi, come link me, me go somewhere. I don't have any friend. Why I feel like I don't have any friend?
I mean, I talk to what you say. Me I come there. What you say? Me I hear. Go and
You
talk.
say, from what it seems like I don't have any friends.
Friends.
Yeah.
You want friends?
Yeah, because I'm lonely.
You lonely?
Yeah.
Hold on there. What kind of friend you want?
Yeah, I want a little friend and I can call and keep me company or whatever. Or whatever.
Look at you. You're a twin.
So I have to be twin for a friend, you know?
Sometimes it's better you stay by yourself. You love too much company. Trouble you ready if you go put me in and put yourself in. What wrong with you? Why you not tell me say you want one different kind of textbook if you go learn something when you're in the textbook them where you already have? Eh? Because the teacher them will tell we say if you buy them the amount of textbook there and sometimes we not even go through none of them at all. And that the term they done. I don't know waste so too much time and come back with a brand new book. And the next term again, next year, we have to buy a different set of book. I don't know how to use them.
So me can
Better me carry you go in a bookstore, what?
You never
When me
you
talk,
never
don't
feel
talk,
like...
man. That me I tell you. Me you know size, me your mother, you listen to me. You talk when me ask a question. Or when me finish talk, you just talk. You understand me? You don't talk when people are talk. You get what me I say? Why you not say, mommy, carry me go in a one bookstore and you see one book where you like, where you think you would find interesting and tell me say you want that I'm buy for you. You want a friend. Then you sell friend. Me not no money for waste. See there you come out with foolishness. Me I do my work, you come and distract me. What happened to you? You have anything, you know what? Before me start back, you have anything else to say?
Me
Because
ask
you soon tell me say me not listen to it. What you say? What you say?
Me ask you if you never feel like you just want somebody company to
Soon
talk
tell
to.
me say me not listen to what you say. Me want company? You can sit down right there so you know as long as you shut your mouth. But if you go talk and distract me, it don't make no sense. You better you go on back in the house.
Alright then. Like come like so every time I talk to you about you. You know, watch this.
Waste my time. You need to waste my time. Call me about foolishness. That's why sometimes I not even pay you no mind, you know. Okay, now nothing constructive to talk about.
Oh boy. Here we go again.
With another feel, trying to talk to this woman and she not even a try to talk to me. Wonder who me can call right now. Rotted, no Amanda number this. Call her and say she would answer. What? Me never know you would answer, you know? By the way, you know what talk to you? Right, yeah, she. Go and get a long time, I don't see you if you stop coming to church, I go on. Oh, me understand, man, but girl, that I call you for anyways. Today I want some company, and I say, yeah, you want me know what I up to. Yeah, for come keep my company or whatever. Later. Alright, I have a bag of things to chat to you about a lot. Alright, that's alright, man. Later.
Please like, share, comment. Manda.
Oh, yeah, who that?
Atamika, me can come?
Yeah, forward now.
Aye. Girl, why your date so difficult?
Come in on the money and have to fix you up, but just go on with space, you know?
So you go like you don't want to touch me. So what this man?
Girl, me there no feel good, me a drink one special.
So if you don't feel good for your drink special for no mash, I go mash you up more.
No, sir, me just use it to cool down me, you know?
No, me see you, man. So what go on otherwise than that?
So what you want to lick me for? You talk a bag of things over for me, and you say good.
Girl. You know say, you did my only friend, my God. And I just go and check you, come here and say, I want to go and check you, come here and say, I want to make the thing that go back in, we got church and things, girl, and we are do things. Yes, I want
that, man.
I want things to go back there, so that can happen.
Church partner go work out for me now, because you see me a liberal robbery now.
Well, girl, from come with my sister that you depend, so I'm not really busy about the church thing. One know me can take my phone and say, yo, Amanda, come check me up on me, and me can come check you, so, you know, that don't really matter to me.
Yeah, man, can go and check me anytime. You know, say if I'm live already, you can check me
And you know which
anytime.
you remember which family live, don't?
Yeah, I remember.
Alright. So we're good then?
Yeah, man, good, man.
Alright. So where they are going with?
As you see, some me there a drink, because I tell you something, I feel 100.
Alright, I'm going to leave a bit for you start chat some foolish, because I know.
Chat foolishness. You ever drink from it?
Me? Thought them not something make nobody here neither. Me.
You want to
No,
take
girl.
a sip of it and say nice, hmm?
Me not, me alright. You go first,
Aye.
we link.
Yeah, man.
Even mom.
Evelyn, yeah, man, I do some hard work from morning and now me can't finish.
Mommy, you would dear one know what I'm on the road today. Mommy, you know what you want me to say?
What wrong with you?
Yeah.
You don't have no sense. You know, sister, I work. Me not have no time for you right now. You can't wait till me finish.
Mommy just try.
Me have to focus on what me I do. Me need to concentrate when you come and distract me. How that I go now?
Mommy just simply have one conversation with her and you just a blame me.
What kind of conversation during my work at time? Eh? Me can't bother with you right now. Me don't have no time for you right now. When me finish, as soon as me finish, me get back to you.
It's alright.
You
You
know,
know what here?
me don't have no time for you. Me I do something right now and it's very important. Me can't.
Important than when you don't even know what I have to say, but you have to say it.
You always have to say something foolish
Okay.
and it don't make no sense.
Alright, make it stay. Never
So I
mind.
don't know where you come about now, but you distract me.
It's all good, mommy. Never mind. Just make it stay, mommy. Manda, we are the them here, so I just come from pay the call, you know. I want mine to just walk on here, because I don't see always them here, so. They are going all the vibes that drink one style be like some fit me. I go on for me head, yeah. Jesus. Think of a go on for your head. You don't know what say. But too much stress about me, man. If I may a drink, can't manage it. Can't manage it. You can't say we're not living, yeah, man. Pressure. Girl, I know me just stress out with them. I don't know. Me just the things them just a run through my mind and I go through my mind. Remember the situation me I tell about my mother? Yeah. Them just have me away, them just have me just a shove me in a one corner somewhere. And then just it come like them who. And I mean like you know them thoughts there where you just sit down by yourself and then just hit your back and things. I just know one them there yo. So she not spend and reason with you like how me and reason then. Not even one little. You're good. How was your day? Nothing like me. If you try to ask her, one thing you see me at work. Baby, the bill that not have nothing to hold in a conversation with your daughter. And me, I say, I tell thing about it when me try to tell her how me feel about it. She a go say to me, say, oh, I big me a big man, and how me a follow you. And I call her skittle and I say, wait, from the start, party, I feel like me a big woman and thing. Your woman don't like me. You see your mother don't like me. She don't like your mother don't like me and me no skittle just because me a beat me liquor. Cause me have my stress and bother me. Your mother, if your mother know, your mother don't like me for a long time, you know. Your mother don't like you neither. I'm kind of sick, boy. Me don't know what kind of mother that can not like him pick me when birth. A wicked mother do them sitting there. I don't feel like saying like she don't like me. You just don't know why problem. You just don't know why problem. Girl, why vibes right now? Crying right now, rum bar one go on, you know. Drink some real rum. You think this a rum? Jam, I know. But that way me drink rum. I don't not find it there, so. Know yourself, man. Me you go down one bar when you beat some rum. You go get the first drink for your first time in your life. Don't worry yourself. What do you mean by that? When me carry you will see what me talk about. Nobody, them the people they know say some chat loud already. When they hear me, they not even want to hear me again. But you see when they hear me, but anyway. You ready? No, I'm not a choice. Please you.
What you smell, sir?
Who is you to ask him that?
Oh. Send you go to school for nothing at all. So this you come out to.
Yeah.
Are you plan this?
Anything. Hear me?
Tamika, you see you? You are going to go under some serious punishment.
Listen to me. Listen
When
to
you take up alcohol, put on your head for you know you cannot manage it. Why you take it up? What's your problem?
me. If you did care and want to know, they would have did it for me.
Nobody did it for you.
Nobody
So
feel
me not
like,
did it for you.
nobody feel like me too drunk for this. Bother with that.
How are this?
Come on, we just start talking here. Nobody feel like me too drunk for have the conversation. Yeah. Because I come and me a try for all a conversation with her all the time that I not understand. And you say yes, my mother. I know you go, but you go ask me, oh, you take up alcohol? No bother with it. No bother with it. You really mother by the way? No, I have to ask. Sometimes one day if I just pick me up or whether not tell me. Because I really wonder. You can ask some question. You would that? Yeah.
Alright, boy. Boy, how we are talk to? Put up there, stick me out there and see right where you have in your ear. Watcha? You know who you talk to? Me say if you know who you're talking to. Where you say if I'm your real mother? So who me to you?
No, no, right now.
So what you doing at my place if me I know your mother? Why you not find your mother place?
I don't know ask you.
Why you not go to your father, go ask him if I'm me indeed get pregnant with you? Hold up your head. You feel say you're a big woman? Eh? True, because you soon left school. You feel say you're a big woman. You take up rum drinking and come in. They can't talk to me as you feel like, little girl, I will shut your box. God. One tear.
No.
You know, come on to my side. Me not in a no talk. You notice me not in a no long talking. Me just low you make you talk. Me not in a one good mood.
The pain they make me feel. How when you give me 17 bucks, can't add up you. You, we call yourself my mother.
Come on to my kitchen.
I want your girl out here. You belly out here, this in my bathroom so long. You know, I'm not like saying so too long, you know, my girl. I want you.
Girl, is yourself. After when you go put me to the last night, I come go on.
Stop.
Stress me out.
How I could have stressed you now. I'm going to drink last night, make you feel so.
Girl, me like a rum. You forgot how much cheers and rum we drink. Never in my life again. You know the reason why me even do that. Because me the only conversation with you.
Girl, stop right there, so. You know, rum are my best friend, you know. A rum keep me, you know. It's when me have stress, me just get some rum, you know. Just get a flask of JB. Because I don't like white rum, you know. Flask of JB and one boom. Just done. And go and all the mix and just go and burn a split to girl.
That I use because the stress on me I go through, you don't think you go through that. You ever sit down and try to talk to your mother and it's like you just man like she's zoning you out of she mind, nothing and talk to you, nothing. You try to simple ask if you good, not even that and yeah, me not think you go through them the stress the girl. And at that man me drink so last night and I say I come in a piece of drama. Me say
Me?
Johnny.
Me no grow with no mother. And me they are happy. Me ain't worse. Me alright. Me good.
Remember say me need a mother. Me used to have a mother room, but me not used to. You know?
What? Stop about your mother, my girl. I want to you. I want to make your mother go about her business. You me say me no grow with no mother. Girl, I want to you. Be like me. More you be like me. Oh,
This a girl,
So
man.
you go.
Girl, be like me. To you. If you be like me, girl, I want to you.
You, where are you? Come out of my place. How much time I tell us if you stop bring the little Jezebel here in my place? Come out of my place.
You ready?
Ready, cause me want to see you.
Come on, we go road that we take on.
Yo, sit down there. You, come out of my place. Close the gate on your way out. What she do here?
I'm afraid I'm gonna have a conversation with her.
What you do? Talk to me like say you're a big woman now. So you are hide and take man to like she what she do when she there for her mama yard. That's why she have to run away. So now you feel say you're a big woman. You do it or you not do it. You hide and take man or you ready to go take man. Which one?
Maybe I'm just going into that thing. I have no idea what to do.
You can't tell me say you're going out with a friend. You don't live by yourself and you're not there on your own. You're under my roof. You go out if me want you to go out. You can't tell me say you want to go out when you want to go out. You're not there on your own little girl. Who you?
Can I ask you a question?
Not ask me nothing.
Okay, I'm gonna go in and ask. When things take care when I want to go or not, or come.
You know, say you not stop until me give you what you look for. You know, say you get too bright when you mix up with the Jezebel daughter way down the road. She a Jezebel and her mama a Jezebel. Eh? And now you want to turn Jezebel to not under my roof. Not over my dead body. Else guess what? You see you now? Me go down a station go report you at the station, you know. To one of the police them. Because either me send you go approve school or you go off a runway. Or you stay under my roof and listen to what me say, cause I know where you say goes. You don't know woman in this little girl. And when me talk to you, stop it shaking.
So that's your problem?
Yes, me have problem with everything about you. From you mix up with Lulu Bell, dirty, nasty, idiot girl with the pan road and smoke, a drink, and the up and down every dance hall, every pan knock she did it. So she want to come lead you straight out. If you think you're bad. If you think you're bad, I wrench out every ear out of your head. Get up and go into the back. Hey girl, get up. Get up now. Get up. And go on in your room.
I'm going into that thing.
Go on in your room. Oh, you make up your mind to go to your friend? Oh, you're going out?
Yes.
Okay, Miss Big Woman. Since as you feast, you have to go out with a friend, go on with her. You see, when you buck your big toe,
That's what I'm gonna do.
don't look back at this yard there. You hear me, I tell you? And guess what? You see, when you go through the door here, just remember you close them behind. One. And I hope when you come back and you close them, you come pick up. And if you don't mind chop and laugh too hard, me make you take them up for now.
Mommy, just...
Go on with your friend. Hey, that one. You see, when you little young girl, when you're not ready to take man, before time, I found no deal with parents, but you know want parents to come hug you up, love you up and say, okay, my daughter, I love you. Who you? Buck your big toe and come call me and you will see. I need to talk to you about your daughter. What you mean what she do now? You see me always talk to you about her? Huh? Don't look, oi. No bother with it. I you should take off her. If me they do my work, I mean not have no time to deal with she. You need to assist her. You need to around her. No, you can't leave everything for me. Okay, Mr. Big Man. And me, nobody pass your place with me. And me pregnant myself. Me breed myself now. So all of a sudden, woman can breed themselves without man do whatever with them. Okay. You wipe off of my map long time. I sorry I breed for a drunker dog like you. I don't like you from the beginning. It look like a obey me because I don't know everybody they ask to say, oh, me can't deal with a man like you. But guess what? Circumstances make me do what me do. Me never want to do it. I obey me because I can't believe that in my sleep. Me they wonder if I really you me make read me. You're wicked, just like your family them. I know me come breed for you and my daughter look like she can turn on like a Uno. You see Uno vampire generation of vampires. Eh? Uno a generation of vampire. Me no know who me come fall in. The little girl don't have no manners, no respect, no discipline, no home training. And not so me grow her. Not because me busy. And me work me do me no want hear nothing from you. When me not doing anything, she not have nothing to say to me. She always have something to say to me whenever time I am doing my job. Remember some work online. Me can't make nobody distract me. Whether you, she or the devil. Me no want none of them distract me. You understand? What you mean me not give you no time to talk? Who you? And me call you upon my credit. So you need to listen to me and when me don't talk, then you talk. That's why me couldn't agree. Number one, you want workless poor. Let me tell you about the word. You want workless pooper. Because see, they left her upon me now. I lucky thing when take me book at school. Me can get work online and they start her out. Seeing we and me, seeing we and pay rent and me, they send her at school and me and do everything. A matter of fact, she soon graduate and you know they no part of your life. Now you they come contact this and talk that about your daughter, this and your daughter that, and I me this and I me that. So you and your daughter is the same thing. I would tell you if you go and take her out of my place. But guess what? You see, true, she a girl and she a no boy. And me not trust you all when you are pooper, me not trust you. Me not trust some dirty man run some girl child. Because someone all when a phone no pick me, you know how a dog, I know a jankro, I know a jankro mine and dog mine. And someone me a talking and all I know because you have good writing decent daddy out there. Me a talk you dirty dog. Me afraid of you, because no found a pervert and pedophile. I don't molest so no one to pick me. Me no want when time nothing go happen to her. Police come haul and pull me. No tell me say me no have no time for her. Me they do me work. If I don't do my job, she cannot eat. You not supporting her. Cut long story short, come on go about my business. Me no call you for come in and no nice up talking with you, you know. Me no unite with you, you know. Me no long look at talking with you, you know. Me tell you something. Me is a change woman. These are the days them were different from the days them when me meet you. But I sorry I never bag your head when I look here and get this little girl, you know. It's another man should breed me, not you. Come off of my phone, you damn dog, and then you buy me credit. Me sorry, me call you, but me need to tell you about your stupid daughter, you damn idiot. All me they look on the lizard up there so. Me I wonder if they go in the bag. Figure near about me right.
Other.
Girl, I waited there so long. Me I wait for you. Wait there so long. Me I wait for you.
Yeah, when me down there in one bag of talking, you did hear what she said to me? You are going to simply tell her, say, "Ma, go here." She say, "Oh, make sure so when you come back, all your clothes and your comfort." You see attitude them when me tell her what she give me?
So she fling you out?
You know, you're right, you know, yeah.
She's a wicked mother. She's not a good mother. But a good thing, so me never grew up with no mother because I don't cuss her right now. You think I'll... Girl, you want to come stay with me?
But girl, me not tell you about them attitude, but you never yet believe me. I'm glad you come down here and come see the behavior what she going on. I would love to come see her because me don't know where to go. And my father now, me leave with me.
You don't like that thing, the girl. She come and she come over to come at her house.
So she down, she see people, she come like she see
Look upon her too. Girl, you can't come stay with me now. I want one who me have. Me not go make nobody sleep with me now. I make woman sleep with me. And after me I say me I want coach, me I make her sleep in a it.
Girl, me not mind. Just want to know some awesome first made right now. That don't really matter.
Alright. And when time come you buy a bed you can, you know? You understand me I say?
Yeah, girl. So just what this going on? I'm gonna go upstairs.
Oh, come on, go over.
Yeah.
Sometimes it can feel so haunting. It drives you insane.
Let's upstairs, yes.